What is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy? Let us see with the help of an example. First of all, we'll import the copy library and let us create a nested list. So here some elements are just inside the list, whereas other elements are inside the nested list. Now let us make a shallow copy and deep copy of the original list. Now let us make some changes to the outer elements of the original list. Suppose the 0th element, which is 1, we'll change it to 11. And now we'll print all the 3 lists and see whether the changes from original list reflect in the copies or not. This is copy.copy. Yeah, so as we can see, the changes from original list have not reflected in the shallow copy as well as deep copy. That means if we are dealing with only one level of list elements, either shallow copy or deep copy is fine because the outermost elements are copied over completely. Now let us modify the elements inside the nested list. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So third element is our nested list. Inside that, the 0th element, which is 4, we'll change it to 44 and we'll run our program again and see whether the changes reflect in the copy. So as we can see, when we change the nested element from the original list, the changes have got reflected in the shallow copy but not the deep copy. That means if we are dealing with nested lists, then it is ideal to use deep copy because shallow copy does not handle this scenario correctly because these are the references to the same object, whereas this is a exact copy of the object.